Can you please explain the difference to me between traditional divorce litigation, mediation, and collaborative law?
I don't do much litigation at all anymore, so I'll just make that point. But the difference between the three, when people litigate, they are engaging lawyers or themselves in a process where people are fighting every step of the way. From the moment they decide to separate, everything is a fight. So it's expensive, it's destructive, and in my opinion, it's unnecessary because there are things that need to be resolved. And for most people, it's the same. It's the same issues. You've got to resolve property. You've got to talk about income. You've got to talk about your children. And those are the things that need to be worked out. So you're either going to fight and you're going to have an uphill, expensive, destructive battle, or you're going to choose one of the alternatives. So we used to call mediation and collaborative practice alternative dispute resolution. And now it's just dispute resolution because people are seeing that there are better ways to do the things that need to be done. So in mediation, you choose one professional to help you. You choose a neutral third party who is a family law lawyer or not. Generally, people going through family law disputes would want to choose a family law lawyer mediator, and that person acts as a neutral between the two parties. They engage their own separate lawyers to give them legal advice, but the family law mediator gives them information. So they work with one person, and that person facilitates the conversation and then issue by issue helps them work through those issues and come to an agreement. So in a collaborative process, when each person has their own lawyer and they're helped to move through this container of safety, they can engage mental health professionals, they can engage financial neutrals, and they can support their family in a way that's really, really necessary. So when you heard me talk about litigation, I used words like destructive and unnecessary and expensive, and it takes a lot of time. And in a collaborative process and in mediation, you're putting the control of all of those things that are so important in the hands of the people who are going to be impacted by it. Lawyers are trained to fight, they're trained to advocate, and of course, I am a family law lawyer, so those are skills that are important in litigation. And in collaborative practice and in mediation, you switch the way you practice, and it's more focused on the health of the individual and the health of the family.